Okay. Just not opening many parcels, and it's all from one person, isn't it? This, I've never seen one before. That's lovely, that. That's a fold. You see that there? It's a fold adjustable, 8-inch. Never seen a fold one. Good. Another fold spanner. Must have been robbed out of a car. Bedford, Bedford, Bedford and Bedford. Right. Look, let me go there. And this one here. Ah, these are the Alloras, yep. Good. Alloras are always good for selling. I'm hoping to sell these Alloras and get my money back for the entire purchase. So, Allora 110 1-inch, that's worth around 13 to 15 quid. 7/8 110 again, that's worth about 10 to 12. What's a bit, 50, 25 32 and 3/4, that's worth about a tenner. So I've just got to clean these up. 11/16, 5/8. So say 8, 10, 12, 15, 8, 12, 10. If I mean my brain ain't working, 30. That's 45 quid there. Paid a tenner for them, I think, or for 11 quid. So that should pay for everything. Once I've cleaned them up, I'll be happy. Probably ask you to guess the price on them later. Oh yeah, now I only bought these because I'd already run the spanners. So there's a nice square shaft wooden handled screwdriver. The end's very good as well. Yeah. Got that, that's about 10 inches. Cool. That's a funny old screwdriver, that one, isn't it? I ain't seen a head that takes. That's like a Phillips, but a little bit deep, isn't it, for a Phillips? What do you think? A little bit deep for a Phillips. No, that's a Blacksmiths tool. And another Blacksmiths tool. Look at that. Well, that's a soldering tool, isn't it? That one. I don't know what that is. So I think handle clean up, copper clean up. Back on the net for them buggers. Very nice looking, I think. Very nice looking. Right, that's those. And then this. So that's a quickie, I'm afraid. Oh, we've got another box. Hang on, another box. Right, what we got here? Again, I think I bought these just because I won them Alloras. They want a little clean again, so we've got King Dick 1/2-inch Whitworth, which is a lot bigger than 1/2-inch normal. That's ring size, that is. And then we've got a nice big 9/16 Whitworth. That's a 7/16 and a half, 9/16 and a half Whitworths. And then we've got a Melco. Oh, I like it when you still get the sticker, original sticker. A Melco, I think it's a plug spanner, isn't it? That's down there? No. I think, yeah, PS, plug spanner. 35. Don't know what that is. 30, it's not a 35mm, it's about a, don't know. That'll clean up nice, and that'll go back on eBay. Excellent. So then we just got this little box that I can't remember what it is at all. Normally I can't remember because I just go through other items for sale and buy whatever's reasonably priced and good on the postage. So I'm not doing any restorations really at the minute that I know of because of my grinder. Oh yeah, no, this was actually the main lock for me. So I must have a spring missing. Lovely little pair of cutters they are, aren't they? Oh. And they're not even named. Oh, they're bloody sharp. Right. Pair of cutters. Pair of secateurs. Always. Always like a quality pair of secateurs. I'll let you know when I find a pair. Because they're unnamed. Right. Then we've got these little shings. These little things are so dangerous. They've they did have a spring. Okay. So the spring's broken. Look. That would have come across and kept them open. Ooh, someone shot a blind man. Can we have a look at that just so we know that's not me at the end result? Look. A blind man's had a go at sharpening them. Oh dear. Fucking hell. Well. I don't know what to say about that really. Anyway, I mean they're so good. They got a little latch on the bottom, look. So they'd have a latch there, they'd have a spring coming off of here. Maybe, without knowing how long the spring is, I can't really cut a new one. If you're going to cut a new one, you want to cut it out of things like paint scrapers that are already made from spring steel. Oh, lovely. Elliot Lucas. I mean, Elliot Lucas always open and close so good. High tensile elect, Elliot Lucas. And I think these are Elliot Lucas as well. Elliot Lucas, great. So I bought these obviously for the Elliot Lucas. And don't know what these are, but oh yeah, I do, yeah, okay. Well, I know what they're for, but the interesting bit that I didn't know when I bought them, obviously, because I bought a job lot of pliers, and this is where it becomes a little bit interesting and fun. There we've got the war arrow, or the military arrow, civil service arrow, and along here we have the date, 1917. These little pliers are 104 years old. Well, I reckon I'm going to give them a good old fucking clean up. Maybe I can do the Elliot Lucases and those in this video. I'll have to add it on. Right, so these, again, that's a shame they're broken. And they've got a little number there as well. See that? So here they are, all finished up. I think this is the older one, much older. This is finished in the True Oil gunstock finish. It comes out absolutely lovely. I first see that in Tool Addict's video, and since then I've been coating every handle in it. This, I believe, is the newer one, probably never been used looking at the tip of it. The handle didn't come up as dark, probably a cheaper wood. They do get cheaper and cheaper tools as they get newer and newer. This end just looks near enough perfect, like it's never been used. Managed to get all the pitting out of this, and this is nice and smooth now down the shaft. It's got to be worth a bit of money just for the copper at the end, isn't it? Surely. Anyway, they're on eBay if you want to buy them. That's all. Bye for now.